Hey friends, if you wish to install NetBeans for Java programming on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So I'll share the link in the description section. Simply go to the download button and then click on the download zip file. Okay. And it will start downloading it on the system. It needs a while. Okay, it's downloading. We'll wait. Right click on this and select extract all. Click on extract. It needs a while to extract it. We will wait till then. Once it has been extracted, go to NetBeans and then you have your Java thing here. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.